subscribe to Ride with VJ and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive the latest notifications.
Good morning, guys. What's up? How are you? I hope everyone is doing good, and welcome back to another vlog of Ride with BJ. So this is a day that all the riders join together and ride together. We call this day as One Ride for the Royal Enfield, and right now I'm going to join the ride at Eragada. So I'll give you the brief about One Ride and all. So first, let's ride from here to Eragada. So from there we have a big groups joining us, and we'll be riding together to the Pragati resorts. So over there we're gonna celebrate the joy of riding. So stay tuned with me.
good. Hey, कावी भाई कैसे हो? अक्का मिलता ना भाई, यहाँ पे आओ ना। शिवन अंकल से मिल के आते हैं। शिवन अंकल। अरे कैसे दीपक नहीं आया? आप कैसे हो बोलना? One ride. Yes, one ride. चलो एक बार अंदर जाके आते हैं. Just go inside. So right now at Eragada Royal Enfield. Hello, कैसे हो? चलो अभी आते हैं. मेरे ख्याल से जय है ना? Is that Jay? कैसे हो?
Very good.
Hi, hello, sir. चल रहा है
In your vlog, I guess, right?
No.
First time in your vlog.
You are many times in the vlog.
Is it?
You just have to go back and check.
Okay. चले मिलेगा तो.
We're gonna start our ride in few minutes, like another 5-10 minutes. So we have to ride from here to Pragati Resorts. So the ride will be exciting and it will be fun. Maybe few other guys will be joining from other showrooms like Kukatpalli and Suchitra and so on. So stay tuned. So this is just like a festival for the people who are moving from here. I think they wouldn't have seen the number of motorcycles which are standing here. Everybody are like staring at us and asking what's going on and what is that you people gathered here. When answering everybody is a tough job. That explaining them that this is the one ride that we all get together and we ride every time a year like this. We just had our ride briefing. Mohit was one who was taking the ride briefing, and it was regarding we have a huge group, so we should also follow the safety of everybody. So we're gonna ride from here. It is approximately 50 kilometers. Mohit will be leading, and I'll be as a marshal. It will be fun riding with this big group. So let's ride. So guys, we have just reached the venue. So this is a one ride at Pragati Resort. So we have a couple of events coming up for you guys. One is slow race and the other one is tug of war and also ring competition. I don't know exactly what ring competition means, but I'll find it out for you. So they have few stalls here. That's the registration point over there just behind me, and they have few stalls also here, right, for Himalayan, also for Royal Enfield trials. So there, and this is a photo point. Let's hang out with everyone. Let's ask him what is a ring competition and what all we have. Hi, bye. How are you?
Fine, brother. Fine.
So what all competitions that we
We
have?
have slow race, tug of war, and ring toss.
Sir, what is ring toss?
Ring toss means it is a group of two people will be going in an event. We will be providing 10 rings. Rider can put his leg down, but pillion can't put his leg down. But at one place, rider can put his leg down for only 5 to 7 seconds. If he is putting his leg down for more than 7 seconds, he will be disqualified.
Okay. So tug of war?
Tug of war means it is not with the bikes. It is team of 8.
Okay.
It is team of 8. It is for the riders, not for the bikes.
For the riders, not for the motorcycles. So
Yes.
that is why I have given my name for the slow race track. So at least I will be on bike and I will be doing that stuff. Right now we're gonna have a breakfast. People are having already. Either sprint of slow race. So this is a track. On this track they need to go very slow. If they put their legs down, so that means they are disqualified. Let's see.
One Ride Hyderabad 2019 rocks. Marshals ready? On the count of 3, 2, 1, go! Cheer up, guys! Cheer up, guys!
Wish me all the best. Oh, I won! That makes me more happy when I meet my subscribers like this. Mr. Khan always comments me on all my videos. Thank you so much for your love and support. Keep supporting me, brother. Let's one get one ride 2019. So then we have finished the slow race here, and then there's a ring competition is happening, and after this we'll have tug of war. that was all about the One Ride 2019 organized by Royal Enfield. So we had lots of fun here. So I hope you like this video. If you like the video, give me that big like and share the video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. As I keep saying, it is absolutely free. And stay tuned to Ride with VJ. Lot more to come. Signing off. Bye bye.